We are going to start our uppercase letters, our handwriting with our uppercase letters. I'm so excited. Today we're going to look at only letters that have straight lines, and those letters are I, L, and H. So let's get started. We know that all uppercase letters go from the skyline to the grass line. They're all tall letters that go from the skyline to the grass line, so they're all the same height. And when we're writing, we're always going to start at the top and then go down to the bottom. So let's look at the letter I first. We go across the skyline. Then we find somewhere in the middle. We go down to the grass line and then across the grass line. The across lines, the ones that are horizontal, should be about the same length. Do you see how this one is as long as this one? So this is a letter I. It's an uppercase I that goes from the skyline to the grass line. Let's try it again. Cross, down, across. All of the lines we're going to use today in this lesson are straight lines. So we'll do our best to make our line straight. Across, down, across. That's another uppercase I. Across, down, across. Now you get to help me with my letters. All of our uppercase letters go from the skyline to the grass line. So here's our first letter. How is this I? No, we know uppercase letters go from the skyline to the grass line. So it's the right height, but it's not starting and ending in the right place. What about this one? No, we know uppercase letters go from the skyline to the grass line. They're tall. This one is short. A lowercase I goes from the plain line to the grass line, but not an uppercase one. What about this one? Yes, we did it. An uppercase I goes from the skyline to the grass line. Here's the next letter. This is an uppercase L. It goes from the skyline to the grass line and has those straight lines, just like an I did. Let's see how we make it. We go down from the skyline to the grass line, like we're making a lowercase L, and then we go across the grass line. So let's make it again. Down, skyline to grass line, across the grass line. One more. Down from the skyline to the grass line, across the grass line. Let's look at mine and you can help me and tell me how my handwriting looks. How's this one? No, because no letters go from the skyline to the plain line. How's this one? No, uppercase letters go from the skyline to the grass line. This is too short. How's this one? Yes, we did it. Uppercase L goes from the skyline to the grass line. A line down and then a line over. And then our letter H. So to make an H, let's look at it again. We do that straight. It's all straight lines, right? Straight line down from the skyline to the grass line. Then we go from the plain line. We go across the plain line. And then back up to the skyline, down to the grass line. See that? So it's just 3 straight lines. So let's look again. We go down from the skyline to the grass line. Then we go to the plain line, across the plain line, back up to the skyline, picking up our pencil, skyline to grass line. So let's try it again. Skyline to grass line, down, pick up your pencil, across the plain line, pick up your pencil, skyline to grass line, down. That's an uppercase H. One more time. Down, across, down. Now you can help me with my uppercase H. Which one looks like it's, good handwriting, ready to go? Which ones maybe we need some more practice? Let's see. So we go down, across, down to make an uppercase H. How's this one? No, uppercase letters are tall. This letter goes from the plain line to the grass line. That's not what we do for uppercase letters. So this is not good handwriting. We got to try it again. How's this one? Yay, we got it. It's an uppercase H. It goes from the skyline to the grass line. Okay, last one. How's this one? No, uppercase letters never touch the worm line. Starts too low and goes down too low. We got to keep practicing on that one. And now you know these letters. You know I, L, and H. You know how to write them. You know what lines to start them at so that you will be ready to write so many things and people will be able to read your handwriting. See you soon. I love you.